You ready?
Yeah.
Send it. Right, welcome back to another episode. We're not on with a Nova this week because Steve is still doing some of the bits at work. Some funny bits to come on that. You know what Steve's like. You don't see it. You've heard him before, the back bit. You don't see it. Anyway, this week, got one of my best mates in, his lad's S5. We're doing a back box delete today. Still sounds good with this, but I've done a little montage of the sound before. Yeah, lucky boy, 20 years old, Audi S5. He's not a drug dealer. He works for a very good mobile telephone company. So yeah, it might look like that kind of car. But yeah, so, all right. All right, so we're going to do a before test on the sound before we do the back boxes. Go on, Aid. Very good, up to. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Is that on the limit, on the 4 gram? Yeah. Was that 4 grams straight away? Do it again. Come on then, James. All right, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. That'll do, yeah. Okay, so here's the old back boxes here. That one, as it's a V8. They'll be coming off. Bit of weight saving. I'll show you the aftermarket ones in a minute.
Morning.
Morning. All right. Jim's just measuring his penis. I think you're dreaming there, Jim. I think you're way dreaming. No, what he's doing, he's got to measure the exhaust now to cut it. Cut it. How many you got to do?
3 inches from the...
What, 3 inches from the back box? Yeah, so he's going to measure this. 3 inches.
More hands.
More hands. Yeah, I'd get your hand in there. He's measuring things. All right. So yeah, 3 inches. Beautiful. All right, so you're just cutting through the pipe now. Nothing exciting. The best way to do it, we can get an air saw in there. Disc cutter's too violent, you probably end up cutting through the boot floor.
Huh?
Right, that's one off. Well done, Jim. Well done. He's just standing there doing nothing, look. Just a driver. Right, here's Aid with his new tips. How much you pay for these bad boys, Aid?
300.
300 quid?
Yeah.
Can't make that for that. Look at that. 300 quid. So 150 quid each. Look at that. No, none of this rubbish now, look. So we're like that. That's going to be bad boy. Look at them tips. Look at the size difference to them, look.
Tips.
I think that's going to look gangster, Aiden.
Gangster.
Definitely going to look like a drug dealer now.
Yeah.
Well, they are good, ain't they, for 150 quid? I think I'm going to have to invest in one for mine.
Yeah.
See what it sounds like. Well, that's the one you want. You got that fits back into that rubber then, does it?
Yeah.
The only thing I don't like is it ain't got that ball, has it? It should be alright. No. Alright, Jim's going back under. Test fit. Beautiful job. Oh no, this ain't looking good. What's going on? You excited? Is this going to be loud?
It's going to be fucking loud.
If it sounds like that video, it's going to be sweet. Looking good. Right, Jim, what do you want me to hold the end? That ain't going over that for shit, is it? Oh, it is. There we go. Oh, look at that. Slipped right on. You're probably about... The rubber will fall comfortable anyway, won't it? So there. The exhaust is sitting too far this way, though.
Yeah, that's what
But will that pull in, will it, do you reckon?
Hey?
Do you reckon that'll pull in when it goes into the rubber? Or do you think you might have to cut a bit off?
I think I've got to cut a bit more off of this.
What about... What, did you take off 3 inch? Is that what it said, take 3 inch off?
Yeah.
Can you not slide more on, or was that it maxed out?
That's it.
Captain cool as fuck. Are you a pilot? Fucking hell, you're cool as fuck.
I think that's
That better.
better fit, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's central. Once that pulls in, lovely, Jim. And it's in line with the just coming just before the diffuser bit as well.
Oh, sweeter.
Look at them tips. Look at them tips.
What's the plan? Take it off.
Take it off, paste it, clamp it, boom, other one.
Put the paste on.
Paste me up.
Paste me up. Take me to the pay.
That's on the hanger now.
Yeah.
How's that look?
No, that's sweet. That can't get any better than that. So measure that when we take this off, how far away that is from. Oh, you can't now, can you? What do you reckon you took off?
Just 3 inches.
3 inch something,
Three
then.
and a bit.
3 and a bit. Because that's perfect.
Oh, it's going to take
That does look alright, doesn't it?
Look at the comparison. Jan, come on. Comparison.
old tips, new tips.
Old tips, new tips. What do you reckon, viewers? Old, tiny,
Shit.
big, massive.
That's what she said.
Tweaking up. 10 million talks. What a great dad you've got, eh?
Yeah.
Eh? And he needs to start learning this.
Well, not much I can do.
Not much I can do. Just holding the light. You're not into it, eh? You're not into getting them, getting your hands dirty.
Yeah, I am, but it'll take even longer if I did it.
Yeah?
Wouldn't it?
You've got to learn, don't you?
Perfect.
Well,
All these tokens add up. Maybe you're going to get him a good Christmas present.
yeah, I'm going to get an S5.
Oh, what? An S5?
A black one.
Right, you ready? Oh, little cheeky rev, Jim. Fucking hell. Oh, that's going to sound the tits. Right, exhaust 2. Jim's cutting away again under there. So yeah, one more side to do. No incidents yet.
Right.
She's free. Is it out? She's coming. Little tear off.
Oh, that's better though.
That better.
Yeah.
Well, better cut. Oh, that's much better. Nice work, Jim. Just a little bit of a bend where you had to tweak it at the end, but nothing bad. Banging them on eBay, Aid.
Yeah.
We've got to go grind now.
No, I think
Well, you reckon you're golden?
you're good at that.
Well, no, a little bit of sand.
You cut it enough.
He's just got to sand it, Aid. Another little Get the deburrs off. Deburr it. Or is it Chris Deburr? It is Chris Deburr, isn't it? The singer. Is it Lady in Red? What is it? What is it? Yeah, you got no shot. Right, second pipe going on. Let's see. Hopefully, this is going to be a mint off its tits. First try. No.
No?
No, that's well out. Jesus.
It's not on the rubber yet.
Oh, it's not on the rubber.
Jesus.
Oh no.
That's on the rubber.
A bit
now.
low though, isn't it? Or was that? That one's higher. Why is that? Will it? Oh no, you've got to swivel it around a bit, Jim. Just a little swivel. That's it. Oh, let's have a look at that. All right, second start up. Both exhausts on. Fucking hell. It'll be all right. Oh, cheeky! Fucking hell, wait till that gets to like 8 grand though. That sounds the tits. That's it then. Or we're gonna die. We're gonna die of carbon dioxide. That Aiden's dying. You alright, Aid?
No.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Well happy. You don't show it. I'd be like this by now.
Crashing.
Yeah. Jizz all over it. So hey, what do you reckon then? Pretty good?
Yeah, banging, mate.
What do you reckon if we did a cat delete next? No. So what you got on your header? You got as the header comes out, you got your first cat, and then as it comes around, you got two. So you got 2 cats each side.
Yeah.
And it comes down to another box in the middle. Obviously, you got rid of the back 2 now, but you'd have to have a very friendly MOT man for that. So we'll probably not go down that
Do
direction.
you know one?
Hey?
Do you know one?
No.
Yeah.
What do you think about that then, Jim? Going under there for your lad?
Yeah, it's quite an easy job to be
Yeah?
fair. Yeah.
It's not bad, was it? What do you reckon?
He could have done that himself.
He could have done that himself, couldn't he?
No.
No? No. Bet you probably did. They probably fell off down the lane, wouldn't they?
Wow.
With a scrap then. Some truck would have drove over it.
Let's get it out on the road then, do a test.
All right, so some... All right, first driving the S5, no exhaust. We're just going down this bumpy road, so not like Michael J. Fox bouncing this about. We'll go right at the end of the road. So yeah, we'll just watch these cars go more that way, to the left. That's it. All right, so yeah, right now. I'm going to give it a bit of a... Let's hear it. You ready? Bad boy. Watch that Tesla. Oh, that's people there.
The speed camera's down there.
No, speed camera's the village, isn't it? Oh, that's much better, isn't it?
Yeah.
In a minute, I'll get out and we'll do a pull-off shot. There's a country lane where you'll be able to pull over and get out.
Which way are we going in?
Left now.
Left.
Alright. There's a speed bump here now. What temp you at? Hey?
Fucking dickhead.
Oh, Asbo. Alright. The end of this road and right. Ooh. Sorry about the shakiness, everyone, but S5 innit? Sports suspension. Yeah, well that van is go right. At the end. Right here. Nice! That is bad boy.
Yeah, it sounds good, doesn't it?
That sounds really good. Speed camera. I'm joking. I'm joking. So I reckon if we go up here, go around about this lay-by, you can come back this way, come back to the island and back towards me.
What, around the roundabout?
Yeah, well, I'll show you in a minute.
Yeah.
Right, I'm back in a minute. You ready?
Yeah.
Send it! That's better cruise control. He's still learning, just teaching him how to. We're doing about 60 at the minute. Fucking, whoa, easy. You're learning. Fucking, that was 59 mile an hour then. Woo! Jesus. Right there.
Like and subscribe.
And for the haters,
Fuck off.
no.